In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and hit Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And when you're ready, go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, if you want to use Clipboard, just copy or cut any text. Then you can either paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or paste it later on by hitting Clipboard and tapping on your text here. You can always hold it as well and tap on paste. Now, to manage text in Clipboard, hold it and pick one of those options. Edit if you want to change anything, and then save to save your changes. Pin, which is super important because if you won't pin your text from Clipboard, it will disappear after an hour. So hit pin to prevent it. And when you're done with it, just select unpin. To delete anything from Clipboard, you can also hold it and tap on delete, or swipe it to the right or to the left. If you want to manage multiple things at once, use pen icon at the top right corner, select whatever you wish and hit pin or pin icon. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!